Hello everyone, welcome back to Chung Social Tool. Today, I will show you how to assign IPs to Gmail/YouTube accounts. I will also show how to log into many YouTube accounts in bulk. After I add accounts like this, I assign a unique IP address to each account. First, I open the list of IPs I added in the Proxy Manager. Then I choose the IP list I want to use. Next, I click Assign Proxy. I select the accounts I want to bind. I will bind these 20 accounts, one IP per account. Once the assignment is finished, I go back to the account manager. Then I log into all these YouTube accounts automatically. I select all and click Login to YouTube. The tool will open browsers and log into the channels for you. Each channel is tied to the IP address I just assigned. Follow along on the screen. If an account has an Authenticator security code, the software will automatically retrieve the code and log in using that code. After logging in, it will check whether the account already has a channel. That is the whole process for assigning IPs and bulk logging in to YouTube accounts. It's very simple and fully automated. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.